Hi guys. Sorry for late. Welcome to C Programming Tutorials with Programming Lab. Let's start our tutorial with C Introduction from C Keyword and Identifiers. In this tutorial we will discuss about keyword reserved words in C language, which is a syntax. Also we will discuss about the identifiers and how to name them. Before we starting our tutorial, we needed to know about these things. What is character set? What is alphabets? What is digits? What is special characters? Let's start tutorial with character set. A character set is a set of alphabets, letters and some special characters that are valid in language. Alphabets. It is a set of uppercase and lowercase variables. As example, uppercase ABCD, lowercase abcd. Digits. It is the set of the numerical data. As example, 1, 2, 3. Special characters. It is the set of mathematical or logical set of characters which is valid in C programming language. The special characters are as follows. These are special characters. C keyword. In C language the keywords are predefined, reserved words used in programming that have a special kind of meanings to the compiling them by the compiler. In C language the keywords are the parts of the syntax and the cannot any used like identifiers. As example, int money. In this example the money in a numerical data that cannot be defined as a character or any other. So that is defined as the integer value. The most important note is C programming language is a case-sensitive language, so all the keyword are used just like as given in the below. This are the keyword what are we wanted to use in C programming language. C identifiers. In C programming language the identifiers are refers to the name given by the programmer to the entities such as the variables, functions, structures, and more. Identifiers must be unique. Identifiers are created to give a unique name to an entity to identify during the execution of the program. As example, int money, double account balance. In this example there are two identifiers, one st is money and 2 nd is account balance. Note, do not use the keyword's name as an identifier. Rules for naming identifiers. A valid identifiers can have letters, digits, and underscores. The first letter of an identifier should be either a letter or an underscore. You cannot use keywords as identifiers. There is no rule on how long an identifiers can be. Guys, please like, share, comment, subscribe.